Have you ever pressed the wrong button on your LG AC remote and suddenly nothing seems to work properly? Maybe the temperature won't change, some strange icon appeared on the screen, or the remote just isn't responding the way it should. The good news is that resetting your LG AC remote usually takes less than a minute, and in this video, I'll show you all the common reset methods. Let's get started. The easiest method is using the reset pinhole. Many LG remotes have a tiny reset hole, usually on the front or back of the remote. Take a paperclip, SIM eject tool, toothpick, or any small pointed object, and gently press the button inside the hole for a few seconds. The display may turn off and restart, indicating that the remote has been reset. If your remote doesn't have a pinhole, look for a dedicated reset button. Some LG remote models include an actual button labeled Reset. Simply press and hold it for a few seconds until the display refreshes or restarts. But what if your remote has neither a reset hole nor a reset button? No problem. Remove both batteries from the remote and wait until the display completely disappears. Once the display is completely blank, wait about 5 seconds before reinstalling the batteries. When the screen powers back on, the remote should be reset. Keep in mind that resetting the remote may return some settings to their default values. So if you had special timer settings, sleep mode, or other custom configurations, you may need to set them again. And here's a simple tip that can save you a lot of frustration. Many people leave their remote on the sofa, bed, or table where buttons get pressed accidentally. Then later they wonder why the AC is behaving differently. Using a wall-mounted remote holder keeps the remote in one place and helps prevent accidental button presses that can change settings without you noticing. It's a small accessory, but it can save a lot of confusion. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more LG AC tips, troubleshooting guides, and energy-saving advice.